Dear CA final students, we have uploaded all the lectures of Advanced Capital Budgeting chapter on our YouTube channel AS Foundation. There are total 96 plus questions covered in the class. All questions are covered in the class with all working note, step-by-step solution and detailed explanation. Wherever required, we have given the notes also. We have covered questions from study material. All 100% question of study material are covered. Plus we have also covered questions of past exams, RTP and other reference books also. So it's a very comprehensively covered lecture. There are total 12 lectures on an average 3 hours per lecture. So approximately 30 hours lecture freely available on YouTube for Advanced Capital Budgeting chapter of the new syllabus. This will be very useful for student appearing in May 24 exam, November 24 exam and onwards exam. So I request you that you can watch the lecture. You can also download the notes given in the description box. So wish you all the best for your AFM preparation for May 24, November 24 exam. Thank you very much and please share this video with all your friends in CA final. It will be definitely useful to you. Trust me, there is no other lecture comprehensive than this advanced capital budgeting we have covered. Thank you very much.